If, like me, you have one of these traditional retractable utility knives, you know that they're solid and dependable, but they're also a pain to do the blade change. I've got an alternative here, which is to sharpen instead of changing the blade. I tried both methods against the clock to see which was fastest and gave good results. So watch this video and you'll see which one was quickest. Before we start, let's just check to see how sharp the blade is. So this is a blade that I've been using quite a lot. It's not so sharp at all. I'm just going to do a test with a post-it note, and here you can see it's really not sharp at all. If I try hard, I can get a bit of a cut, but that's about it. I have my phone here, and I'm going to use this to time how quickly we can change the blade in this, and then I'm going to try to sharpen it in the same time using my Victorinox sharpener. I'm ready to start. Let's start the timer and see how long it takes. So with this Victorinox L-shaped bit tool, it's pretty quick to take out the screw, remove the case, take the blade out. In this case, I'm going to just swap it round, put it in place, line this up. This is a slightly tricky bit. I think that's there. Just check that it retracts and goes out again, and I'll stop the clock. So that's 49 seconds actually. I think that's not too bad. I was thinking it was going to take longer. Let's see how long it's going to take to sharpen. This is a Victorinox sharpener. I'm just going to allow myself just to get it ready, and then I've got until 49 seconds to see if I can sharpen the blade sharp enough to reuse again. Okay, let's start. Just to explain my technique, because the camera does make the angles look a bit weird. So I'm holding the sharpening stone at an angle to match the grind angle on the blade, and then I try to hold the blade vertical as I sharpen. I take several strokes on each side, repeat that, and then I alternate either side to make sure if there is a burr that it's removed. Right, I'm stopping it at 31 seconds. Let's see if this is sharp enough. I think that's pretty good. So with just 31 seconds of sharpening, this is now good enough to use again. It's saved a blade change, so it's saved a small amount of money maybe, but it's actually quicker. Now, as well as using the Victorinox sharpener, which is one of my favorite field sharpeners, there are a couple of options as well. There's the Lansky Puck sharpener. You can sharpen it on here as well. It's just about getting the angle right. Or you can use the Fallkniven DC3. That's the other one that I've got. And again, on this one, you can get the angle right. It's also got a diamond side, so if the blade's a bit rough, you can do it on that first. So, is sharpening quicker than changing the blade on one of these Stanley 99Es? Well, yes, it is. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you sharpen your blades? I know a few people do from the previous videos I've done. Really interested to hear your comments. Of course, you can always give me a thumbs up and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing. I've got quite a few knife sharpener videos now, and I've covered all of these sharpeners in previous videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.